Well, yes, Motherson Sumi is in focus first and foremost on the back of their order win in their aerospace division. So finally, this revenue stream is getting open for the company, and the order win is from none other than Boeing. But although the amount of the order win has not been disclosed by the company, but it is definitely positive, and going forward, the order is going to commence from Q3 of FY23 to sometime from the commencement of this order getting into the revenue stream. But it is definitely positive for the company because it is intact with the company's strategy where they focus to get 25% of their revenue coming from the non-auto business. So definitely a step in that direction. But another highlight for the stock today is the listing of its demerged entity that is expected to happen on Monday, that is on 28th of March, that we are expecting that to happen. And this entity got demerged on 17th of January, and at that time the market valued their India wiring harness business at around 34.8 rupees a piece, and the potential market cap value at this particular stock price a piece is at around 15,700 crores. But as per the analyst, they value this particular segment at rupees 70 to 75 rupees a piece, and the implied market cap is somewhat in the range of 22 to 24,000 of crores. And they have rationale behind giving such premium valuations to this particular segment because it is a focus on their India wiring harness. The segment has a high ROCE profile of around 40%, and this is exposed to the pure play domestic wiring harness segment. But given the headwinds in the auto sector as of now, the headwinds regarding the commodity cost inflation, and along with that the chip shortage situation that is once again arising for the sector, they are expecting a possibility where the stock could get listed at a lower value. But all eyes on the listing that is going to happen on Monday.